Hello guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday and things are too light. Things are too slow in the market. And you know that if something is too slow, we have to prepare ourselves that something will happen already, right? So my thing is that never is too calm on a Thursday. It can't be too calm on a Thursday, all right? So I'm already expecting something to happen, but I don't know what could happen. The market in general is not that calm, okay, because we've seen circuit breaks all over the world, especially in Japan as well. JP225, if I'm not wrong, that's the index for Japanese, for Japan. But in terms of Forex market, we haven't had much moves except from the Japanese yen, because the euro dollar, went up and now went down, still on the same opening of the week, pretty much. The pound dollar went up, went down as well. USDJPY is the only one that are on a with a direction, if I could say that, and the direction is continuing to go lower and lower. So pretty hard, pretty hard to come here and let you like, okay, this is what I'm going to be looking to trade or not. But I want to have, I want to bring attention for the German CPI that will be tomorrow at 4 p.m. on Australian time. So we're going to have the month over month and the year over year, the month of July, okay? So the consensus at 0.3% from the previous of 0.1% for the CPI month over month for July. And for the German CPI year over year, from July last year to July this year, it's always measured on this way, okay? It's not like from January this year to July, because this is not 12 months, this is only 6 months, 7 months, around 7 months. So the way they measure is they take, let's say, next month they will do the August CPI, the year over year. This would be from August last year to August this year. So it's pretty easy to sort of calculate this. You just take the month over month actuals that we have on the inflation, sum that up, all of them together, and divided by the number that you have summed. So let's say you have 11 numbers that most probably you got, because the 12 is the last month, we never know. But you can sort of feel how this specifying move can be, because so the year over year specify the consensus at 2.3% from the previous of 2.2%. So there's only an increase of 0.1%, and the expectations are that are pretty close to the same as the previous, so only 0.1% of difference. My opinion on the German CPI for tomorrow is that it could be positive, and it could be a little bit of a punch on the euro, and euro could go a little bit higher than it's trading right now at the levels of 109.31. Okay, this is the price of euro dollar right now. So my opinion is that yes, we can still see lower movements on USDJPY, lower movements on GBPUSD, and a bit of higher movements on the euro dollar. Okay, yes. This is a very contradictive movement happening on the market, to be honest, because GBPUSD is going down, euro dollar is going up, and USDJPY is going down. So it's a very, it should be euro dollar going up, pound dollar go up, USDJPY go up, but USDJPY goes down. But in terms, it's completely the opposite. It's all switched around. So my opinion on that is that yes, we are most closely to a big move happening, even more bigger than we had on July for next month on September, because of the Fed. All right, so the Fed is set to cut the interest rates, 25 base points cut. This is what the whole market is expecting already. 80% of the market is expecting, more than 80% of the market is expecting a 25 base point cut on September meeting from the Fed. My opinion is that yes, one cut seems very favorable, even more now after the NFP last Friday, where we have 114,000. If you the actual was 114,000 from the consensus 160,000. I highly recommend you to watch the video I've made on the NFP after the NFP. I have one before and after the NFP, so if you haven't yet watched it, go into the channel right now and watch those videos so you know what's happening with the NFP. So besides from that, guys, we do have the webinar tonight, 7 to 8 p.m. So I hope to see you guys around there. And if you have any questions, or if you want to have a chat with me, please go into the webinar or put the question down here below in the comments. Otherwise, guys, thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you tonight, or I see you in the next video. Bye bye.